Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got this Mordort short. I think that's how you pronounce it. Let me just bring it up to the camera. That one there. This is a 8 ohms speaker. So today we're going to be taking it apart and seeing what's inside. So first we will take the grills off. There we are. So we've took the grills off. We've got two lovely speakers. So that's the bass woofer and the mid-range, and then this is the treble and high, which is basically the same. You got it, and I was surprised, but got it on both sides. So we were gonna speak this side out first. So yeah, let me just get the bits. Is that the one? Yes. Okay. We've got the bits. So we need this one. Don't know if the camera will focus on it, but it's a weird looking one. It's kind of like the same as the Allen key, but I will undo these. Right, there we are. So we've got the screws out for this speaker. So there we are. We've got nice foam on the inside, but we've got to disconnect these terminals. Ooh. There's the way to get it off, but it's a bit hard. I'll get it off and then I'll resume the video. There, I've got it off now. So that's actually a really nice speaker. I might end up testing this with one of my amplifiers and seeing how good it works. I've actually got one that I can test it on. But yeah, there's one. Then we'll go ahead and take the tweeters out. I think you can disconnect these. My one of my teachers actually gave me one of these this speaker. She gave me two of them. She also gave me an amplifier, which is worth £400, which is in my shed. It's in my shed where I did the what's it called? Can't even remember now. Put the lights on the ceiling. But this one's there's not a lot of room for me to do it, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll bring you back when I have disconnected it. There you are, guys, just with a small flathead. God, my phone does not want to focus today. Just with a small flathead. And this might be why. Come on. There, just with a small flathead, you can manage to pry them off. Okay. Up to there. Yeah, okay, so we'll put this one over here. Now, we've just got the wires just like that. Now, I'm going to go to the back. I can't bother to change it from the flathead to the normal one, so I'm just going to undo it like this. I mean, I'm not going to change it from the flathead to the Phillips head. I'm just going to unscrew it like this. Because then I'll need the flathead again to get the back off. Oh, come on. Actually, why don't I just do that? There we are. Oh, you can't disconnect it like that, so you will have to actually disconnect it. Disconnect the speakers and then pull all the wires through. Like I can pull this wire through and this one. So yeah, we'll do that side. This side. There we are. We'll take this one out. Ugh. Oh wow. Wow. I don't think that should have disconnected that quick. That disconnected very quick there. Okay, that one's done already. You got this one now. I've got to remember that the green is for the big speakers and the blues for the little ones. There we are. Same again. Use a screwdriver. Like that. Just realised, guys, that my cat's in the corner behind my curtain. I just hear her cleaning herself. Ah, come on. Well, there we are. So we've got that off now. Put that there. Then all we need to do is that. Now we have got all of this out. But does it? Oh, it does have a massive crossover. But it don't look very, oh no, it's fine. Yeah. So we've got these on here. So, all the wires that we need. Okay. There. Green, blue. Oh, what did I say? I said did I say green for the big ones? I think so. But you know, this is extremely light. It's literally just a piece of wood with just some foam in it. I think so. Yeah, this is just a piece of wood with foam in. Okay, so that's done. Oh, I can't connect it to any amplifier now because the box that has got my amplifier in, I'm using the box to hold the phone up. But you know, there we are. There's two speakers. These two here. And then got two tweeters. So yeah, we've got this, all of this, the two grills, all the screws, this, and then the case. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.